Good morning, guys. Rise and shine. And once again, I am starting my day, or you can say, starting my new week from today with all the energy that I have and taking Lord's name, Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru. Because without the oath and asra of Vaheguru, nothing is possible. In short, without the blessings of Almighty, as I surrender myself to Almighty. Right? So, yeah, that's the spiritual part of me. That is my spiritual side, deaf, showing up as deaf, low deaf. So, we gotta do what we gotta do. Okay, anyways, let's go. See you in a bit. Well, guys, all together we are trying to, keep the losses aside because there's something that cannot be repaired. We know that. So that will be in our conscious as usual. And it's gonna stay that way, but we'll try to focus on things that we have to do because life keeps on going and what we gotta do. So let's go and start our week. And I don't have work for next 2 days, and the following week in another 2 days. All in all, I'll have ample of time, and I'll try to see and I'll try to escape from all this thing, and we'll see if I can manage 2 days for myself in this coming week. So stay tuned, guys, and if you haven't followed Journeyman 2.0, please do follow. Take care, bye, and stay motivated. Well, we humans, I had something to do, which hopefully was an okay meeting, but the work has been initiated, so wish me all the best. So, okay, we have some sort of a traffic jam here. Long, so we gonna get our car reversed from here. Let's see what we can do. You can't say that day without coffee is a complete day. So all I need was to refuel myself with caffeine. Refueling done. Yeah. Beautiful cup of coffee. Here it is if you want to have a look. And it smells awesome. And it's very obvious that it tastes so good. So let me go through the taste check. Oi, hoi, 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 hoi. It's so amazing, man. It kind of makes you feel, gives that, spiritual feeling. I don't know how to describe it. Sometimes it's very difficult to explain. So, there's another angle. And let's go. Oh, diesel particular filter clogged. Oh, we got error, guys. We got error. We got error. So our car is not going to rev much as far as I see. There's the diesel particulate filter is clogged. That is what I was talking about, and I could see that warning coming up, but that's fine. We are at 7,000 kilometers, so the car can self-clean this thing. So let's rev the car a bit, and then we'll see what happens next. See you in a bit. The REGEN warning now. It says REGEN required. So we'll reach home and then we'll go through the REGEN. Let's go home. Let's go home. Well, guys, issue resolved. I've started the REGEN process. Sorry, I just forgot to, go through all the steps. But REGEN is in progress, so we don't need to worry about anything as such. It will resolve the issue. So yeah. For now, that is the thing. I had something very important to do, but now I have to wait for maybe next 10 minutes till this REGEN is over. And once this is over, then obviously the car is in parking mode, and you just go to the drive info, and in drive info, I guess as you scroll down, you'll get the option for REGEN. Once you get the option for REGEN, and as you can hear, the car is revving at higher RPMs. It's high at the parking, and it's going above somewhere around 2500 RPM. So that is how it is working at the moment. So I have to, wait, and let's see what happens next. And you can see the warning is going on. REGEN is doing its job. It's been like 2 minutes and it's still showing up in progress, which is good. I'm kind of excited with this thing, right? So yeah, I was a bit worried that in case if the car shuts down in the mid of the road, but it's not that way. It's a very easy and good way in which the companies are contributing towards nature, and it's fine. Even people can bypass this system. You can bypass this system. But now it's around 10 minutes and it's still in progress. But what I have checked is through manuals and all, it can take up to 20 minutes. So let's wait and watch what happens. Well, it took us around 15 minutes to get everything done. And the screen showed up as an, it's done. So now the next task is to drop mom off to Dr. Sukhdeep's place for the, just a casual visit. And I have some other thing to do, so I'll take care of that and see you in a bit. There, so we came to pick mom up, and then I got the cup of tea from Sukhdeep's house. So guys, we've reached home. Now it's time to park the car. Well, stay tuned to my vlogs, and with time we'll improve. We'll try to improve. We'll try to be as good as we can, and that's our motive, and that's our vision and mission, and that's it for the day, guys. Keep us in your prayers as well. Keep us in your thoughts, in good thoughts, and take care, and good night. Good night, guys. When you are about to, I'll tell you secret when you're trying to park the car with the wall. If there's a wall on one side and there's less and it's dark, right? So you can use this trick. With this trick you can, judge. You're able to judge how far is wall from your this thing front. So that's it for today. Take care, guys. Love you all, and please do follow Genuine 2.0.